Did you know that there's another way that you can figure out these types of problems? In math, there's usually many ways that we can solve the same problem, which is great because that means that usually you get to choose which one you feel most comfortable with and what is easiest for you to figure out. So if we want to try to figure out 2/5 of 15 again, and we don't want to draw this number line every time, maybe it is tedious and it takes us a long time, we could just go like this. So I'm going to write out the same problem, 2/5 of 15. Now I want to teach you something. Whenever you see that word in math, of always means multiply. Okay, of always means multiply. So in our problem here, let me erase the word of and let me replace it with a multiplication symbol. Okay, so 2/5 of 15 is also the same problem as 2/5 times 15. All right, now we want to multiply. Now you're probably saying, well, I don't know how to multiply. How is this helpful? Well, let me show you what to do. If we want to do 2/5 times 15, notice 2/5 is already a fraction, but 15 is not a fraction. So we can make 15 into a fraction by going like this. Anything that's not already a fraction, like 15, we can make a fraction by putting it over 1. Because by dividing by 1, it doesn't change the number 15, because 15 divided by 1 is still 15. Okay, but this is just a sneaky way of making 15 a fraction. We put it over 1. And now we want to multiply these two fractions with each other. So this is what we're going to do. We take our two numerators, remember those are the numbers on top, the 2 and the 15, and we multiply them together. 2 times 15 gets us 30. So we'll put that as our new numerator in our answer. And as you probably guessed, we're going to do the same thing with our two denominators, 5 and 1. And we're going to multiply those, and 5 times 1 makes 5. So we have this new fraction in our answer, 30 divided by 5. Well, we can't leave it like that because, as you probably guessed, as you might remember, we have to reduce that fraction because we could divide 30 by 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So really, 2/5 of 15 equal 6. Now let's look back at that last example we did. Did we also get 6 here? Sure enough, we did. Look at the top here. 2/5 of 15 we said was equal to 6.